activity today. We're gonna make kinetic sand. We need dish soap, cornstarch, and sand. We're gonna put the dish soap in first. That should be enough. Now so heavy. I can't wait to put it. I'm not gonna lift that now. 1, 2, 3 drops. Just a little more of this. Again. Wait till this. This looks very good. Some more dish stuff. Alright. We're gonna put some a little smell good in so it makes it smell good. Okay, that'll look very good. This is drops of sunset oil. It's lemon, I love it. Okay, let's stir it very good. I want to make it green so I can add food coloring. 1, 2. That's all we need. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. Now we gotta stir it. It's on me. We're gonna put some lemon in again. Awesome. I'm gonna put water. Now I'm gonna stir again. Cornstarch makes the sand a different consistency. I will move everything away and play this on the couch. I'm gonna play with it. We're gonna take a little couple scoops out. A big one. Big one. Remember, subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up for Lilly and me. This is really fun to play with. My brother's gonna love this. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna play with my sand.